Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're new to Binance, go ahead and click on the links below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to enjoy an exclusive lifetime 20% free discount and a $100 bonus. Now, going back in your Binance account, go ahead over to your assets or wallet. And here you can go ahead and tap on send and then just tap on on-chain withdraw. Tap on it. And then here, go ahead and find the coin that you wanted to transfer. For example, I would like to transfer this USDT. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see here, it will need an address. So go ahead and open up your Phantom Wallet. And in here, just tap on receive. And we're going to be using Solana. So tap on the copy button. Now go back to the Binance app. Tap and hold. Or just tap and paste. And then here, as you can see, Solana network has been auto-matched. If not, you can go ahead and tap the drop down and select Solana. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and enter the amount that you would like to transfer. For example, 10. And then once that's done, keep in mind that it got a network fee. So once you're happy with that, you can now go ahead and tap on withdraw. And in no time, you will receive your transferred amount in your Solana wallet. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.